Here comes the Thanksgiving Rooster, take 132.
Here comes the Thanksgiving Rooster, he's coming for you. Here comes the Thanksgiving Rooster, cockle-doodle-doo. The Rooster represents this special holiday. The Pilgrims and the Indians, you can hear them sing. Here comes the Thanksgiving Rooster, 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 roo. Rooster, 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 cockle-doodle-doo. 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 Hashtag Thanksgiving Rooster. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out, man. Fuck out. Get the fuck out. Yo, don't know any. You don't know shit. You fucking piece of shit. I'm the fucking man. You hear that? Yo, we're the Rooster. We out, bitch.
I'm not in this. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this.